Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect MCP servers in Google Antigravity. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of finding and installing an MCP server inside the Google Antigravity ID. If you're new to Antigravity, don't worry. This is a straightforward setup, and once you know where to look, it only takes a minute. To begin, open the Antigravity IDE software on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all menus and panels are available. If the interface takes a moment to appear, just give it a few seconds until everything is ready. Once Antigravity is open, direct your attention to the top right area of the window. You'll want to locate the Agent panel. This is where you can manage agent-related tools and settings, including MCP server connections. If your screen looks slightly different, stay focused on the top right section, since that's where this option is typically found. After you've found the Agent panel, click on the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional options that aren't shown directly in the main panel, so it's the place to go when you need more configuration choices. From that menu, click on MCP Server. This will open the area where you can browse, search for, and connect available MCP servers within Antigravity. Think of this section as the server management space for your current setup. Next, enter or search for sample server. If there's a search field, type it in carefully and wait for the results to appear. In some cases, you may see matching suggestions populate as you type, so it helps to pause briefly and look over the available results before clicking anything. When you see the sample result, click on it to open the server entry. This selects the server you want to connect and brings up its details. Be sure you're choosing the correct result, especially if there are multiple entries with similar names. Finally, click on Install. This starts the installation process and connects the MCP server to Google Antigravity. Depending on your system or connection speed, the install may finish almost instantly or take a short moment. Once it completes, the server should be available inside your Antigravity environment. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of connecting an MCP server in Google Antigravity. If you're following along in real time, it can be helpful to keep the panel open for a moment afterward just to confirm the installation completed as expected. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide made the setup process simple and clear.